Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix Valorant critical error has occurred message. So first, click on your Windows key and right click on the Windows icon. And here, click on Device Manager. Now, click on this display adapters and then right click on your graphics card. After that, click on Update Driver. Make sure that your driver is up to date. But if that didn't work, maybe the driver is not compatible. So, if you're using an AMD, here's a solution. First, search for your graphics card driver, RX 550 driver. And here, you can download it, either the latest one or other version, but I suggest download the latest one. After that, you will need to install the software, the AMD software, and that software will automatically pick a driver that is compatible for your unit. And after you pick and install it, it should fix the problem. And that's basically it.